Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
What's the difference between selective incorporation and total corporation? Which approach has the U.S. Supreme Court used? Selective is gradual, total is all at once. The U.S. Supreme Court used the selective approach.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Legal definition of total incorporation. A doctrine in constitutional law. The 14th Amendment's Due Process Clause embraces all the guarantees in the Bill of Rights and applies them to cases under state law. Compare selective incorporation.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Provisions that the Supreme Court either has refused to incorporate, or whose possible incorporation has not yet been addressed include the Fifth Amendment right to an indictment by a grand jury, and the Seventh Amendment right to a jury trial in civil lawsuits.
Make your mark, take our lead.
This increases the power of the federal gov relative to the state gov because it gives federal courts the power to overturn state and local practices. States that all powers not provided in the Constitution for the national government are reserved for the states respectively.
Take our lead.
A company comes into existence as generally by a process referred to as incorporation. Once a company has been legally incorporated, it becomes a distinct entity from those who invest their capital and labor to run the company.
Let's help you make your mark.
Palco v. Connecticut. Ultimately, the court adopted the selective incorporation doctrine in the 1937 case of Palco v. Connecticut. That decision rejected total incorporation and established a selective incorporation definition and guidelines for applying it.
Take our lead.
Some examples of Supreme Court cases where the rulings upheld the 14th Amendment as well as selective incorporation include Gitlow v. Wainwright, 1963. The Supreme Court ruled that states must provide an attorney for criminal defendants who cannot afford to hire their own attorney.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Over a succession of rulings, the Supreme Court has established the doctrine of selective incorporation to limit state regulation of civil rights and liberties, holding that many protections of the Bill of Rights apply to every level of government, not just the federal.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.